In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a receipt to a transaction in the Monzo business app. Keeping receipts linked to the right payments makes bookkeeping smoother, speeds up reconciliation, and helps at tax time. All you need is the Monzo business app open on your phone and the receipt you want to capture, either as a physical copy you can photograph or an image file saved on your device. Start by opening your Monzo business app and heading to the home screen. This is where you'll see your recent activity and account overview. Take a moment to scan your feed and locate the payment you're working with. It helps to check the date, amount, and merchant so you're attaching the receipt to the exact transaction you intend to reconcile. Tap the transaction you want to attach the receipt to. This opens the transaction details where you can review the amount, the time, and any notes you may have already added. You're in the right place when you can see options related to that specific payment. Next, select Add Receipt. You'll typically find this option within the transaction details. When you tap it, you'll be prompted to either take a new photo of your receipt or upload an existing image file from your device. If you're taking a photo, lay the receipt on a flat, contrasting surface in good, even light. Make sure the merchant name, date, total, and VAT or tax details are visible and in focus. Avoid glare or shadows and fill the frame as much as possible so the text is crisp. Hold your phone steady and take the shot. If the app offers a quick crop or rotate tool, use it to tidy the edges so everything important is readable before confirming. If you're uploading an existing image, choose the file from your photo library or documents. Pick the clearest version you have, ideally one that shows the full receipt without cuts or blurs. After you select it, the app will attach the image to the transaction and you'll see a preview right within the transaction details. That's all there is to it. The receipt is now linked to the payment, making it easier to reference later and share with your accountant or export with your records. A quick note, receipt uploads are typically available for Monzo Business Pro users. If you don't see the Add Receipt option, your plan may not include this feature yet. Make it a habit to attach the receipt as soon as you make a purchase, and you'll keep your records accurate with minimal effort. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.